The Eastern Tabletop ZOZZ Stretch Buffet will enable you to stop stressing and start stretching. One set of side frames stretch from a single tile cart to a double and triple tile buffet setup. There is no one-size-fits-all buffet. You must have flexibility in choice and an array of options for your buffet equipment. Simply choose the size of crossbars and hook them into your side frames. No hardware or tools are required. No complicated instruction manuals to follow. No professional skills or employees necessary. Get your buffet set up easily and smoothly in a matter of a few minutes. The single, double, or triple tile buffet tables have endless functions to choose from: plate warmers, induction stoves, insulated ice bins. Eastern's signature reversible tiles with stainless edges are all components you need for a fully functional service buffet. Panel dress-ups gives the ZOZZ an elegant and finished look. Simply place your tile function into the assembled stretch buffet table frame. Panels easily hook onto side frames and come in many finishes and color options, such as laminates, perforated stainless steel, vinyl-coated polyester, and customized screen printing. The ZOZZ Stretch Buffet storage cart conveniently holds up to 5 tables and panels. Use the tile storage cart, conveniently keeps all of your buffet tile functions organized and secure. The ZOZZ Stretch Buffet collection is the epitome of a unique buffet setup with distinctive custom options from one event to another. For any questions, please contact us at www.easterntabletop.com.